Understanding the concept of oblivion. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into the word oblivion and explore its meanings, usage, and context. This is a beautiful and poetic term, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Oblivion is more than just a word. It's a concept, an idea that exists in many cultures and languages. Let's dive in. Oblivion primarily refers to the state of being forgotten or unknown. It's when something or someone is not remembered or acknowledged. Think of it as the opposite of fame or recognition. Example 1. The once famous actor faded into oblivion after he stopped acting. Example 2. Many ancient civilizations have gone into oblivion over time, their achievements and stories lost to history. Apart from its literal usage, oblivion can also be used in a more emotional or metaphorical sense. In this context, it can refer to a state of unawareness or unconsciousness, especially as a means of escape from reality. Example 1. After hearing the tragic news, she drank herself into oblivion. Example 2. He lost himself in the music, seeking oblivion from the troubles of the day. The term oblivion can be foundational to other words or phrases, emphasizing the act or state of forgetting. Oblivious. This adjective describes someone who is unaware or not conscious of what's happening around them. Example: he was oblivious to the chaos happening around him, lost in his book. Obliterate. This verb suggests the action of completely destroying something, so it becomes unrecognizable or is erased. Example: the wind and sand will eventually obliterate the footprints on the beach. And there we have it. The term oblivion beautifully encapsulates the idea of forgetfulness, whether it's intentional or just the passage of time. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing word and its various nuances. Remember, language is a living entity, always evolving, and it's these deep dives that help us truly appreciate its richness. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.